Open the website www.powtoon.com. Click on the button Start Now. If you already have an account, click Login. If you don't have one, click Sign in and fill the fields with the information requested to create one. Before you start, you have to choose what you'd like to use Powtoon for. Then you have to choose the best way to make your video. Therefore, you can start from scratch, build your story scene by scene, or customize a popular template. Now it's time to choose a look for your Powtoon no matter what you choose before. As you can see, you have 5 options, so pick one that you like and then click. If you choose the option Start from Scratch, you can organize your Powtoon as you want. To create a Powtoon, you have to create some different slides. To create a slide, you have to choose the scene that you want. You have 6 options. After you pick the one that you want, choose your favorite look. However, you can just choose one of the 6 types of backgrounds and then pick the best look for it. Scenes. Backgrounds. If you choose the option My Media, you can put photos from your computer or from the internet. Then, to write in your slide, you have to choose the option Text, and according to your need, you pick one of the 3 options, title, subtitle, body text, that you have. You can also design your text. Options, looks, you can change the color, type, size of your text. In your slides, you can create characters to represent someone. For example, choose one of the many objects that exist and put graphics to represent statics of something. Characters. After you pick the character that you want, you can choose a reaction. Objects. Graphs. When you finish your Powtoon, you can add music or a voiceover to make your work more interesting. You can use a music from your computer or a voiceover that you create. You can also use one of the many options presented. To make a Powtoon more attractive, you can put images or videos and objects with your images. Note: if you want, you can choose special scenes related to, for example, the winter holidays. After you create all your slides, if you want to see your final work, you have to click on play. If you want, you can also change the time of each slide. However, if you choose the option Build Your Scene by Scene, the organization is already made. But you can also choose the look that you want and upgrade your slides with the same things that you have in the order option. Choose the type of your storyboard according to the purpose of your Powtoon. Furthermore, if you choose Customize a popular template, you don't have to choose the look of your Powtoon, but you can also upgrade it as you want. You can choose the type of your template according to the purpose of your Powtoon. Now I'm gonna show you an example.